The influence of history continues today. That's why we hold this large-scale international academic symposium in a year that marks the 80th anniversary of the victory of Chinese people's war against Japanese aggression. The symposium received great attention.
From a Chinese perspective, this was a horrible war in which many people suffered very greatly. And I think that's the kind of suffering and horror that hasn't received enough attention or recognition outside China.
When viewing the war of resistance from a global perspective, one can observe that the significance of the China battlefield becomes evident. This is because in the history of world wars, especially in the history of World War II, the role of China battlefield was rarely acknowledged. This is a gap that needs to be addressed.
In essence, history is all about being realistic and factual. From the historical materials, we can also see that Taiwan's restoration is a historical fact. When conducting related studies, we hope to evoke a sense of historical memory, because it is not primarily in the hands of the current generation or the next, but rather in the hands of those who come later.